In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos on Gmail, quickly and easily. Whether you're sharing a memorable family video, a clip for a work project, or just something fun you want to send to a friend, Gmail makes it simple and straightforward. So let's dive right into it. First, ensure you're logged into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail's homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're on the Gmail dashboard, look for the Compose button, typically located at the upper left corner of your screen. Click it, and a new email window will pop up, ready for you to draft your message. Now, in the new email window, you'll want to focus on a few key fields: the recipient's email address at the top where it says "to," the subject field for your email's title, and then the large space below for your message body. Fill in these fields with the appropriate information, adding a brief message to accompany your video if you wish. With the main parts of your email drafted, it's time to attach your video. Look for the paperclip icon, typically located at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on it, and a file browser will appear. This is where you can navigate through your files to select the video you wish to send. A small tip here: if your video is large, say over 25 megabytes, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive and provide you with a Google Drive link instead of attaching it directly. This keeps things smooth and avoids any email delivery issues. After choosing your video, you'll see it uploading right in the email window. A progress bar will let you know how the upload is going. You can start adding any finishing touches to your email while you wait. Modifications might include spelling out any important details in your message or checking for any additional attachments. Also, if you added a Google Drive link, be sure to double-check your Google Drive sharing settings to ensure the recipient can access the video. Once the video appears as attached or linked in your email, it's time to take a moment to review everything. Make sure the recipient's address is correct and that your message content says exactly what you want. Consider reading your message aloud or asking someone else to review it with you. It's always good to have a second pair of eyes check for errors or omissions. When you're satisfied and ready, go ahead and hit the Send button. You'll find it in the bottom left corner of the Compose window. Congratulations, you've successfully sent a video via Gmail. Keep these steps in mind, and in the future, you'll find sharing videos through Gmail both efficient and stress-free. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.